Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can make GIF in CapCut. Alright guys, here I have opened my CapCut application on my phone and we're going to practice how we can make a GIF in CapCut. So the first thing we can do is click on the new project button right here guys. Then just select a photo or video that you want to make it as GIF. And for example, I'm going to make a GIF from this video. So just click on the video, then we can click on add right here to add the video or photo to our CapCut project. Okay, and let's just wait for the process. Alright, and now the video has been imported to our CapCut project. Now it's time to edit the GIF before we import this. Before we export the GIF, you can add sticker or maybe you can cut you can remove the background. It's up to you guys. You can also put tags, and for me I'm just going to remove the background guys. So just tap on the video like this, then we can click on CapCut. So just look for the CapCut option, and this is the CapCut option. Then click on it, then click on remove background since I want to remove the background. Okay, and now the background has been removed, and we can also put like a sticker, but I don't want to do it. So I'm just going to show you how we can export this video as a GIF. So if we want to export this video as a GIF, we just need to click on this button. Then we can click on GIF right here. Then just select the resolution, but since my CapCut is not premium, so I can only choose this resolution, and after that we just need to click on save to device. Then the GIF will be saved to our device. Okay, and now the GIF has been saved, and we can check the GIF on our gallery. So just go to the gallery, then wait. Okay, and the GIF is right here. So this is the GIF that we have just created guys. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can create GIF in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.